Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to get a free virtual credit card online. So the first thing to do is to go to your Google web browser and type this UMoney, okay? Once you type this one, you have to click the first link that will appear on your Google web browser. Here it is. Now tap this one. So this is what UMoney looks like. If you want to know first what is UMoney, then you can simply scroll down and look for the information. So pay via UMoney and receive. Okay, so you can create your virtual credit card here. So to start, you just have to click sign up and they will ask for your phone number. You have to provide your correct phone number because they will send you a code. At first, they will call you, then, if it didn't work, then they will send you a message to your number. And then, in order for it to continue, you have to verify that you're 100% human. Okay, and then you have to enter your email address. Now, you have to check your email address and type the code or enter the code that they have sent to your email address. Okay, so this is what Umani looks like. So above here, you can see options like your transactions, payments, transfers. You have to click this bank cards. Okay. So once you click this bank cards, you can see you have to choose any of the choices here, but I have to pick the second one. It's for my shopping online. Okay, so you can also customize your card here. All you have to do is to select which one you like. Once done, you have to type the code that they have sent to your phone number. Okay, type it right here. And then after that, you can now have your virtual card using UMoney. Now, in order to use this, you must verify your account first. And then you just simply go to verify now and view the details of your cards. You just have to tap this one. To see your bank details, all you have to do is to click this view. But of course, you have to verify your identity in order for you to get access to the following here. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.